extract, you'll see me meeting Dr. Jones, the problem solver. Watch how I respond flexibly to her personal style. Good morning. My name is Paul King, and I'm from Tab Pharmaceuticals.
Hello. What do you have for me today?
Today, I'd like to discuss the elderly patient with memory loss. Many of your colleagues have expressed concern about the slow onset of action of memory support agents. Most agents are slow to take effect, and approximately 40% of patients become discouraged and stop taking the medication. The patented chemical formula of Memogard addresses this problem by providing rapid onset of action and fast relief for your patients. Once daily at breakfast is all it takes to achieve full 24-hour efficacy.
Your competition was just in here defending the efficacy of Exactum, and every company claims that its products are the most effective, though most of them don't seem able to provide good data to back up their claims.
I'm glad you brought that up, because I have some papers here that I think you'll find give good, strong results which support the efficacy of Memogard.
Good. I always look for firm clinical evidence before I make any changes in treatment decisions. So many reps think that a glossy brochure provides scientific evidence. I require something a lot more objective.
Well, there are a number of studies which were carried out independently at main research centres. I'll be pleased to show them to you. Of particular interest is this trial done at Guy's Hospital by Dr. Arthur Stewart. He compared the efficacy and time to onset of action of Memogard with those of two other leading memory support agents, including Exactamum. In a random double-blind study involving over 250 patients, Dr. Stewart found that the performance levels of Memogard patients were nearly twice as good as those of the other groups.
Guy's Hospital has a good research group in this area. Although the data sounds satisfactory, I'd like to study the papers myself.
Certainly. I've brought you some copies. I also have a Memogard product monograph which summarizes some of the key clinical studies and provides references for any further reading you'd like to do. Dr. Jones, assuming that you find the data satisfactory, would you then be prepared to try Memogard on enough patients to give you a fair assessment of its clinical benefits?
Yes, at least you've given me some proper clinical work to study. From there, trying Memogard would be the next logical step. Let me have a look at the papers first, though.
Of course. Why don't I call in next Wednesday to talk over your conclusions? In the meantime, I'll give you the number of our medical department in case you have any further questions about Memogard. They can fill you in on any other clinical data you need.